Key interest of mine is coding in JupyterHub, which utilizes Python as its coding language. One skill that has proven to be crucial due to the recent pandemic is statistical organization and analysis of large data frames that are millions of rows and thousands of columns long that are impossible for humans to analyze by hand. But we can filter out rows that are unnecessary. For example, in this case, we filter out rows with missing data on total debts or median age of this data frame here, consisting of the total debts per million and the median age for each country. But this data frame is still pretty difficult to analyze just by the eye. So in order to make it visually more appealing, we can turn it into a scatter plot where we edit the x and y axis using the AES function in JupyterHub, which allows us to zoom in and zoom out of our graph. We can also add a regression line using that same AES function where we add a command here, method equals lm, which shows us the regression line with confidence intervals. And here, the blue line represents the regression line with the shaded regions around it showing the confidence intervals. And if we want to pinpoint specific countries here to analyze them further, we can use the label tool under our AES command, where in this case we label Canada in red right here. Moreover, we can take small data frames and we can make them even more precise by filtering out specific statistics. For example, here we can use our relational operator, which is the filter tool, along with our logical operator, which is the percent greater than percent tool, in order to filter out only females, neutral happiness, and a height greater than 1.55, which shows in this smaller data frame. But something that's even cooler is that we can add a new statistic to this existing data frame. For example, we can add a calculation of our own. Here, in this case, it's body mass index, where the weight is divided by the height squared, and we can add that onto our existing data frame, which gives us a new way to look at the existing data.